In this part of the real trucking crimes of Kurri Kurri, we hear about another case of failing to stop. When the heavy vehicle regulator prosecutor is here at Kurri, it's usual to have a fail to stop case. In this case, the defendant is from Queensland. Of course, we have many trucks travelling through the area, and if you're caught in the Kurri area, the case will be in the Kurri area. The defendant has elected to have the court deal with the matter rather than just pay the fine. However, they have failed to show up, but the court has found some early correspondence from the defendant and pieced together why the driver elected. We hear they failed to enter the truck checking station lane. Yes, we hear about drivers who go into the lane and then misunderstand the direction and then go back out rather than stopping and then get charged. However, the driver avoided the lane completely and they got caught twice. So what's going on that is seeing the driver avoiding being checked? It turns out this happened within the first 2 months of the driver getting their licence. It was one of their first big trips out of the Gold Coast and they were unaware it was mandatory. The driver claims they now understand they have to go into the checking station lane. The magistrate decides to record a conviction, however, gives no penalty. And professional costs are granted to the heavy vehicle regulator. So if you're a truck, it's mandatory to go into the checking station lane. While the rest of us in cars and motorbikes, it's best to stay out of the lane and just let the trucks be checked.